Hi, I'm Mike from WindowsLatest.com. The July 2025 optional update for Windows 11 is rolling out now, and it brings some major new features, especially for Copilot PCs. Let's break it down. Recall now available in the EU. Recall is finally expanding to more regions, including the European Union. This AI tool takes snapshots of your screen and lets you search through them like a time machine. It's powerful, but it also raises privacy concerns. The good news is it runs locally and doesn't send anything to the cloud. You can block certain apps or sites or just turn it off completely. Click to Do expands. Click to Do is now live for everyone with a Copilot PC. This feature lets you right-click on things like images or text and trigger smart actions, like blurring content or removing a background. Microsoft is also adding a new tool called Reading Coach to help improve reading skills. Draft with Copilot in Word. If you use Microsoft 365 Copilot, there's a new feature inside Word called Draft with Copilot. It helps you write faster by generating content based on your prompts. Smarter Settings with AI Windows is updating the Settings app too. Everyone will see the search bar at the top now, but on AI PCs, it's powered by a smart assistant. You can ask things like, how to improve battery life, and it'll suggest the right settings automatically. The blue screen turn. Black Microsoft has redesigned the classic blue screen of death. It's now black, more minimal, and easier to read. It still shows error codes, but no more sad face emoji. It looks cleaner, but also a bit too similar to the Windows Update screen, which might confuse some users. Quick Machine Recovery. There's a new recovery feature called Quick Machine Recovery. If your system runs into a big issue, Windows can now automatically try to repair itself by downloading a fix, even from the recovery screen. It's designed to help prevent widespread issues like we've seen in the past. Performance and stability fixes. Lastly, Microsoft says the update improves performance and system stability, especially if you had issues with the May 2025 update. It won't be a huge jump, but things should feel smoother overall. That's a wrap on this month's update.